This is the start of our APE Tours private tour. We got picked up by a big boat at Vanilla Beach, close to the resort we were staying at. Very good service to be picked up near where we were staying at. So this is the start of Tour A, using APE Tours as our private boat tour. And that's our guide over there, Rio. It's a lot of fun. Stay tuned, there's a lot more action coming up. Our first stop was Big Lagoon. We kayaked over here, and kayak was included. Rio took some pictures, and we spent as long as we wanted here. That's the beauty of being in a private tour, because you can stay in a place as long as you want. We saw some sharks and some monkeys in this place. After Big Lagoon, we boated to Shimizu Island to snorkel, and our boat crew was consisted of a captain, 2 cooks, crew for the captain, Rio our guide, and also he was our photographer. This is the beauty of the private tour, is you can stay at one place as long as you want. You can skip a place. At this point we skipped one place because it was so busy and full of tourists, and we just wanted to move on with our tour. So I highly recommend a private tour, especially with APE Tours. It was such a wonderful experience that I would not use any other tour company other than APE Tours.
Alright, ready?
Wait. Dad, you're not really leaving.
I'm gonna land on here.
Okay.
Wait. Remove your mask. Yeah, it's gonna be hurt you.
Mami!
You good?
Oh.
This is our lunch spot. We forgot the name of the island, but we stopped here and had a buffet lunch, which was included in our tour. So this is such an amazing experience. Please smash the like button, share, and subscribe. It'll help the channel a lot. After lunch, we snorkeled some more. There was a lot of corals in here, and such a fun place to snorkel.
Caitlin and Mom snorkeling. her butt's sticking out. She always swims like that. She cannot straighten her body. No, Caitlin. Our mom too. Ha? Oh, mas marami doon, ano? Okay.
After lunch, we proceeded to Popolkan dive spot to snorkel some more. The footage of those will be in the next video. There's a lot of fishes. This was our last stop of the day, 7 Commandos Beach. We will play basketball with the locals and some of the other tourists. Fun place to stop, hang out and chill, swim some more.
Commandos Beach. Go shoot some hoops, Troy.
I highly recommend APE Tours for any of your Elnido tours. I'll put the link in the description below on how to contact them. You'll be glad you did. Highly recommended.